If you've ever wondered if AI can actually make you money, not someday, but your first real $1,000, this video will show you how. Welcome to Purposefully AI, where we build simple systems that lead to real income. Today we're talking about how to make your first $1,000 with AI tools, even if you're starting with no experience. Here's the first mindset shift you need to make. Most beginners think they need one big idea to make $1,000. That's wrong. What you actually need is simple math. Think of it like this: $25 services 40 times, $50 services 20 times, or $100 services 10 times. That's it. AI does not magically make money for you. It compresses time. What used to take hours now takes minutes. That time compression is the advantage you're using. Now let's talk about what you should actually sell. Your first $1,000 should come from services, not passive income. Why services? Because services pay fast and give you immediate proof of concept, unlike the long game of passive income. Here are 3 beginner-friendly service options: AI copy services like product descriptions, AI content and video services like short-form scripts, or AI templates and digital assets. Here's the important rule: pick one, not 3, not 5. Focus beats variety at this stage. Now let's make the math real and see how quickly you can hit that $1,000 goal. Say you choose a $50 AI service. To reach $1,000, you need 20 completed orders. Over a month, that's less than 1 order per day. Because AI handles the heavy lifting, delivery takes 10 to 20 minutes. Revisions are fast. Turnaround becomes your advantage. This is how beginners win. Now let's talk about where clients actually come from. You do not need followers or ads. You need intent. Start with platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Look at Reddit communities and Facebook groups where small businesses and creators ask for help. Your edge is not being the best, it's being fast and reliable. Do not sell AI. Sell outcomes. Sell clarity. Sell speed. Sell results. Now let's talk about how this stacks into your first $1,000. Once you pass $300 or $400, something shifts. Your confidence increases, your system gets smoother, and clients trust you faster. That's when $1,000 stops feeling big. Before we wrap up, avoid these mistakes. Do not tool hop instead of executing. Do not wait until you feel ready. And do not chase passive income too early. Making your first $1,000 with AI is not about genius ideas. It's about simple systems done consistently. It's about proof. Your first $1,000 is not about perfection. It's about proof. Simple systems done consistently yield real income. If you want a step-by-step starting point, download the free AI Money Starter Kit below. It walks you through your first AI income workflow in under an hour. Subscribe to Purposefully AI for daily videos showing you how to turn AI into income, one simple system at a time. Purposefully AI, simple systems, real income.